How to change Facebook password on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you will find different options. Head towards the option of menu. After you land to the menu page, at the top right, you will find this settings icon. Tap on it. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Tap on this option of see more in account center. Now head towards the option of password and security. Tap on the option change password. Tap on your username. From this page, you can easily change your Facebook password. Firstly, you will need to type in your current password and then type in new password and retype your new password. In the case you have forgotten your current password, you can tap on this option to recover it. After you fill these, you can tap on the option of change password. And with that, your password will be changed. So this is how you can easily change password on iPhone. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.